What is going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel here, Hickory BBQ. Hey guys, I'm here with another one. Hey, I want to welcome you to my channel. If it's your first time, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell for those notifications. Guys, I got a good one today. Today we're gonna do pork belly burnt ends on the Weber kettle. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. Welcome back to my channel here, Hickory BBQ. Guess what, guys? Got news for you. We just hit 100 subscribers on the channel. Yeah, let's go. Yep, I heard the clap to celebrate. Let's go. Yeah, you guessed it. None of this could be possible without you guys. So I want to thank you for all your help and support to push this channel, push the content that we're making here. All right, let's go ahead and get into this recipe. Today we're doing pork belly burnt ends on the Weber kettle. I have here a pork belly from my local HEB. Here it says this thing here weighs about 6.48 pounds, a little close to 7 pounds, 6.5 pounds. So let's just go ahead and dive right into it, guys. It's not gonna be much work that we have to do to get this going, get this prepped. Let's go ahead and get this pork belly open, pat this dry, pick this up, wipe down our cutting board, make sure that's nice and dry, pat the underneath side. There we go. We got our meaty side somewhat. Then we got our fat side. We got a nice little fat cap on there. We ain't even gonna worry about shaving that down. We just gonna get that fat cap on there. It looked like they kind of nicked it. Right there, got a nice little gash from the butcher, but it's okay. We'll make the best out of it. Since it's already sliced right there down the middle, I'm just gonna go ahead and slice it this way. And while I pick pork belly burnt ends, we're just gonna go ahead and cube these up into little 1x1 sections. And we're gonna get this going. Go ahead and put some gloves on so I can make the glove police of YouTube real happy. I don't want to be reported or get demonetized, whatever. Hey, why you waiting on me to put these gloves? You do me a favor. Have you told somebody about me today? Go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. God damn it, I'm having a hard time with these gloves. All right, there we go. We got them on. The glove fits. There it is. Go ahead and hit that like button, guys. Let YouTube know we're doing something great over here. We got this recipe that's easy to do. I got here my shelf knife. We're gonna take this, put this pork belly right down the middle. You wanna keep it nice and sharp. Ooh, that handle's hot because it's been sitting out here. Let's go ahead and cut this down the middle, just like that. As you can see, that's the way your bacon is right there. All right, guys, let's go ahead and start cutting these up into little strips, 1x1 strips, little cubes. We cut them down this way. And then we're gonna come right here, cut them again, just like that, with nice little morsels of goodness right there. As you can see, all that intramuscular fat running through there, that nice fat cap, that meat, we got a nice little ratio of meat to fat. It's gonna come out with a good end product. Let's go ahead, cube this up, just like that. And that's about what you want right there, guys. That's what you want. See if we match it up. Just about. Yep, we just about got it. There we go. Just like that, folks. That's what you want to do. We'll go ahead and do this to the rest of our pork belly, and we'll move on to the next step, okay? All right, guys. So we got these all cubed up. Let's go ahead and put them into this pan here. We're going to get as many as we can fit without overcrowding so we can season these up. We're going to place these in here just like that, as you can see. All right, guys. So now we're going to get these seasoned up. I got here some Meat Church Holy Voodoo that I'm gonna go on here with. Shake that up, got a little bit left in there. Give us some nice good flavors on here. Go ahead and just put all of that on there. Then I'm gonna go ahead with a choice of Weber's hot honey. Just about that much. Go ahead with this hand right here. Get them all mixed up and incorporated. Like so. Man, that smells good already. And then from here, I'm just gonna take them, put them onto my wire rack. Once I get them all coated the way I want it to all the way around, we're gonna go fat side up right there on the rack. We'll just continue this process, put them on the rack, then we'll get them on the smoker. Already got the Weber kettle fired up. Gonna be aiming for a temperature of 275 degrees today. All right, let this cook. And it should take roughly around 2.5 hours. So don't go too far, guys. This is a quick, easy recipe, and you're gonna like this. I'm telling you, it's gonna be like having dessert, but with meat. So we are here at the Weber kettle. As you see, we already got it fired up. We got some nice coals in there. You're using B&B charcoal to fuel the fire. As you can see, I've got my pork belly burnt ends right here on the rack that I'm gonna leave on the rack. And I'm just gonna place right here, just like that, on my Weber kettle. Then, also I'm gonna put some cherry wood chunks from Western right here. I'm gonna open this up right here, throw in a couple chunks, put some nice smoke flavor. It's gonna give us a nice color as well. So I'm gonna chunk one more in there, close that up, get us some time to catch, so that smoke can start coming through there. I'm gonna go ahead and open this bottom bin up, because I got it about a quarter of the way open. So just gonna open that up a little bit so some airflow can come on. As you can see, it's already starting to smoke up on us and catch. So now that that's doing that, let's go ahead and put our lid on and let this cook. Like I said, folks, it should take about 2.5 hours. We're gonna let it smoke for about an hour and a half, and then we'll see where we're at then, and then we'll probably spritz it, do some other little tricks. But I'll let you know. All right, guys, stay tuned. Go ahead, hit that like button. All right, it looked like this. Go ahead and hit it, smash it. Let's go. Look at that good clean smoke we got coming out of there. All right, so stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, so about 1 hour later, here we are back at the Weber kettle. All right, so we're rocking and rolling. We're about to get this lid off, and bam, bam, look at that. Take a look at those. Can you see that? Let's get in some more on that. Here's what we're looking like on our pork belly burnt ends. Guys, at this hour, it's at this time that I think I want to go ahead and just go ahead and spritz this. Got my spritz bottle here, some water, apple cider and vinegar. Go ahead and spray those, keep those a little moist. Got a few of them that's drying out, not too much. Keep that color going. As you can see, we got a nice little color going on those pork belly burnt ends right there. I want to go ahead and put some more cherry wood on there. Some of these little cherry wood chunks. Get that open. Drop that in there. Drop a couple of those. I also want to go ahead and drop a piece of this hickory right here, chunk that I got on there, to layer on some more flavor, to get some boldness to it, to add on to that meat. So guys, as you can see, that smoke is already conjuring up. So let's go ahead and put this lid back on. Let that cook for about another hour and a half. And we should be wrapping this cook up. All right, guys, hang on in there. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here after 2 hours. And here's what our pork burnt ends are looking like. As you see, that wood is on fire right now. But I probed these. We're pretty probe tender on there. As you can see, we're registering 205. Let's get these off and sauce these and make it the real candy meat that you want. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. We got those pork belly burnt ends off of the smoker. We're gonna put them here into our little pan, get them off. As you can see, I got some glove liners here with some plastic gloves to deal with that heat, because these babies are hot. I'm just gonna go ahead and just dump those off in this pan. I'm gonna go back on here with some more of that Weber's hot honey, because it's got those sugars in there that's gonna caramelize with this sauce and make this real good. Then I'm gonna go in with some of this Gabrick's Sweet Heat barbecue sauce. And we're gonna go in with some of that. Get that going up in there. I don't want a pool of barbecue sauce. I just want to be able to coat each and every one of these real nice so that it glazes up and tacks on there. I'm gonna mix it also with some of his candy jalapeno, because I love the flavors that it gives. I'm just gonna go ahead and put all of what's left on this cook right on these burnt ends. That should give me some nice color too. Then I'm gonna go on here with a little light dose of honey for some sweet kick to balance out this heat that we're gonna put on there. And as you see, I didn't empty the bottle. Then I'm gonna go in here with my hands, and already, just look how good that looks already. I'm gonna mix this up, but just look how good that looks already. Then I'm gonna go back on the smoker with these get them mixed up. We go right back on the smoker, uncover it for about 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes, just depending how well that sauce tacks up on there. We're all in the Weber kettle, so it might be a little different. But yeah, it's looking good already. So let's go ahead and get these back on the smoker, and then we'll come back. These pork belly burnt ends are done smelling and looking amazing. Oh my God. So total cook time, 2.5 hours, not bad. Let's go ahead and get these out onto the cutting board. There we go. So these are on the cutting board. We're gonna let these sit here, cool down, rest to about a temperature of 140 degrees. Then we're gonna dig into these things, all right? Get these uncovered. These things have been rested. I'm about ready to dig into these, man. Just take a moment and look at those right there. That glistening, shiny, amazing looking pork belly texture. I'm gonna grab this one right here and just bite into it. I know, my man. Oh, my God, that's some good flavors. Sorry about the licking of the fingers, but it's that damn good. Oh man, those flavors, that hot honey came through real nice, man. And if you ever tried the Meat Church Holy Voodoo, man, you gotta try that. That thing's good on everything. You gotta try it, guys. Give this recipe a try. This is my pork belly burnt thin recipe. You gotta give it a try, guys. If you do, make sure you tag me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, social media, Snapchat. Follow me, find me, tag me. I want to know. I'll repost it. If there's anything you'd like to see me cook, go ahead and put it right down in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for those notifications, guys. This has been another great recipe. I'm BBQ. I'm with Hickory BBQ, and guess what? You guessed it. I'm out. Let's go.